What Morpheus does is just run an blockchain network locally, and that will be used for connecting our services.
Yeah, so basically what we did until this point is the Icon network was run, or the the blockchain instance was emulator was run using that. And once that is run, there's also like Cyrus. So this is the screen we are seeing right now. This is the IDE that you would normally have in your local machine when working with icons when writing icons course. But this is like, since this is an integrated environment, just deploy it using this environment. So it makes it easy.
To pitch our project Smart Collectibles, and yeah, to start the presentation, I'd like to start with a quote from a late German philosopher, Ernst Bloch, and he once said the fake differs from the original in that it looks more genuine. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Benedict. So let's go into use case and use our smart collectible. And now we have to combine and to link these collectible to NFT. And for that, we have to fill in at first all information. The token, and now let's generate the token and connect the product to a token. With submit, MetaMask notification come up. It takes a while, and now we have to pay the amount in gas fee. So if you submit again below, okay.